Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to upgrade TradingView account. To upgrade your TradingView account, first of all launch open your TradingView application or website and log in. After you are inside the homepage of TradingView, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right hand corner. Within the menu page, click on subscription. You will then be able to see the list of plans displayed on the screen. TradingView offers several plans such as free plan, premium plan, plus plan, and essential plans. Review the details for each plan and select the one that best suits your needs. After you do that, tap on the Skip Trial and Purchase Now button at the bottom and follow through the instructions. You will be prompted to enter your payment details, that is your credit card, debit card, PayPal, or other methods depending on the availability. Complete the payment process and your account will be upgraded. You will gain access to the additional features immediately. That's how you can easily upgrade for a TradingView account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.